Hi foodies, today we are driving to one of the delights of old Delhi, Natraj Chole Bature, Paharganj Wale in Bangalore. We are heading for Whitefield branch. There are almost 4 branches of this famous eatery in Bangalore, and we are heading around lunchtime on a weekday to avoid the crowds. So we have reached our destination. This outlet has got no car park facility, but there is ample space in the streets nearby, so plan accordingly. So here is the menu along with the pricing. So we are going to first explore the place before ordering something. As soon as you step into this Natraj vibrant eatery, the aroma of spices hits you like a warm welcome. Not just the baturas, this place offers a plethora of delicious treats from mouth-watering paneer dishes to tangy chaats and also desserts. Every item on this menu is a testament to authentic North Indian flavors. There's a separate fan base for the desserts here. They also have Rajma Chawal, Kadai Chawal options here. So here comes the star of the show, chole along with aloo and batures. The melt-in-mouth choles are not pressure cooked but cooked in drums with garam masala for a long time. It is a combination of the garam masalas which gives them a unique flavor. This comes as a side chutney along with the choles. Inspired by the famous Sitaram Diwan Chand from Old Delhi, these baturas go through the same frying process. They try to extract the extra oil by heating the batures on the tawa. This not only keeps the taste intact, you also get to experience amazingly soft batures which melts in mouth in just a few chews without the nagging extra oil. Here comes our crispy golden brown baturas, which are work of art. Puffy yet perfectly fried to crispy goodness. You can see the paneer that's been stuffed inside. Now let us go to the tasting part. Believe me, baturas are just magical. The chole were not that spicy. It has to be mixed with the side chutney for the extra spice and tanginess, but baturas are just heavenly. Then we tried dhokla with 2 side chutneys. Dhokla was soft and good. I couldn't be judging dhokla properly as I'm not a great fan of it. Then we had samosa chaat with aloo sabji. It was worth trying. The stuffing of samosa was different. It was having lentils mashed with potato. So now it's time for my favorite part, desserts. So we ordered rasmalai. Rasmalai was mild and soft. Rasgulla was not as great as expected, but it was good. And then we had gulab jamun, which was hot and heavenly. Gulab jamun has stole the show. We ordered lassi, which was okay, not great as expected. And let us know about other drinks which were available over there if you have tried it. We ended our food journey with jalebi and aloo tikki. Jalebi was served hot and was good, and aloo tikki was served with curd and chutney with a dash of onion. It costed us around 600 for 2 adults and 1 kid. It's completely worth trying. You should definitely visit for the baturas here. Top picks of the store are the baturas and gulab jamun. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel. Let us know in the comment section what is the next place that you want us to try. Till then, bye.